Yes. Okay. Okay, you need to catch a small bee. Small bee. No. Bee is a small bee or not, guys? What is it? Big letter E. Okay. Clap your hand for Songbak, everyone. Big bee. Big bee. Big bee. Big bee. Big bee. Yay, môi. Okay, môi. Big bee one minute there. Fighting. A small A. Not small A. Yay. Okay, small A. Letter. High five. Okay. Three. So, hello everyone. How have you been? How are you? Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks. So today is Wednesday. Wednesday or Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. Thursday I spell third, third, th- third, third, the A, Thursday. 17 or 18? Yeah, 18 June 2026. So yesterday, who remember what letter we learned? Letter. Okay. What letter we learned yesterday? Letter. Say louder. F. So yesterday we learned about letter F. So what is the sound of letter F? So what? Okay. Let me say. Okay. Okay. I want take out your board. Then we're gonna write a big. Okay, a big letter. So a big one start from the top of the middle. The top of the middle, guys. The top the night. The top. Okay. Start from the top and then go down to the bottom. Back up to the top. Across. Go to the middle. Across. What letter is it, guys? Big letter F. How about the small one? We start from the top or start from the middle? Yeah, also the top. Now, point your finger up. Point your finger up. And then round, down to the bottom, back to the middle, across. What letter is it, guys? Small or big letter F? Okay, small or called lowercase f. Now, I want everyone write 3 letter. A big letter 3 times and small letter 3 times. Okay, what letter is it, guys? Big, uppercase or lowercase f? Say louder. What is the sound of letter F? Say louder. Okay, thank you. Next, play game. But you need to finding a big and small letter F.
Find the letter F.
Okay, let's find it.
Remember what the letter F looks like?
Tamat.
Capital F.
Yeah.
That's the big F.
Yes.
And here's the lowercase f. That's the small f. We'll find the capital F.
Nào đâu khơi môn game à? Okay. Chập vô tay mà đòn. Teacher. Mà. No, after trong teacher vô nhận đánh ngược trong thấy mà con sầm lấy ping pong pan mấy tế nổ mà chết ta. A big letter F. So where is a big letter F? Okay, it's the right around guy. Okay, clap 3 for Achita. 3, 1, 2, 3. Xong bây giờ tích con nó con cua hơi khlang tay bây giờ khôi screen tôi sắp. Khôi screen mà bảo lui nó tụi nè. Nè anh này lộ tụi. Bây giờ má chết hả? Pa tích tích cầm bạch pa với khlang này con pan nó bị lơกับđại sao ấy này ta pa tầng tới chết lưa nó nè. Con. Trên con. Nè. Only 2 left. Yes. What letter is it, guys? Big letter F. Next. Thiên Chi. Trời giờ tích tụi Alin. A big letter F. Where is it? Five round letter F. Yeah. How many letter F are there on the TV? How many? 3 letter F. High five. Okay. 3 letter F. Okay, check it. Point, teacher point. Where's the first one?
Did you find them all?
Đâu hay nơi. Nè. Okay.
Job. Next, we'll find the lowercase f. There are 3 lowercase f's. You have 20 seconds to find them. Are you ready?
Mà. Find a lowercase f. Where is a lowercase f? Yes. Okay, tiếp đây với rồi. Next. One. Một im. Nè, tên là lowercase f. Okay, is it right wrong, guys? Yeah, congratulations everyone. Next. Okay, mặt này mà. Okay, nhưng mình bây giờ nó sao mũi tên nó trong nát rồi. Gì, phần này không chừng kì. Yes, it is the big one. Okay. Nữa. Mình thấy số nàyประมาณ how many letter f? 3 or 3? You say 3. Đi na trên 3. Yeah, 3 letter F. Okay, let's check it together. Did you find them all? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Hello everyone. So your friend will play the first. Okay, Songbat is the first player for this game. Everyone, please enjoy. So what did you say? A big letter A. Songbat need to find a big letter A and then catch it by your bottle. Okay. Big letter A. Yeah, B. Yay. Okay, good job. Okay, ma. Let's find. Hey, hurry. Be quiet. Let's find a small A. Next, let's find a big letter B. Small B. Small B. Yeah. What letter is it? Bạn mà con. Small letter. What letter is it, guys? What letter is it, guys? Yeah, letter B. Mà xăm 50 tiền. Không quan. Thiệt ra mà đâu mà. Hai ba căn. Ta. Let's find a small letter F. Okay, mà. Give me. Ma, look. What letter is it, guys? What letter is it? Small, big letter F. Yeah, small letter F. Hai hạt khởi này, letter F small. Mình thi ở chỗ lên thì có. Tê, cầm tiền, mấy cái đâu? Bạn hai mà chạy hai rồi hai rồi mà. Okay, finding a small A. Not small A. Yeah. Okay, small A. Đang là lớp bạn này, small A mày đó. Còn cầm chân thế này nè. Bạn hai. Okay. Big B. Yeah, môi. Okay, môi. Big B one minute finding a small A. Small A. Oh, look, small A. There's a small A. Yeah, that one. It's a small A. Finding. Finding. Big D. Yeah, one. Miên tiết Big D. Yes, Big D. Miên Big D. Đâu mà không đánh là Big D ở teacher mà. Nè nam Big D ở teacher. Miên nam Big D. Miên nam Big D Việt mà. Nữ. Okay, hay nó. Dạ, nè nam cái Big D this one. Xong vạt and here for you. Okay, ta. Thế đây mới phải nhớ bỏ cái này.